guys, on today's episode of Days Glory Shopworks, we're going to put a grill on the Fargo. This grill is from a 1965 Dodge, I believe. Now the Fargo's a 68, so they don't belong to each other, but the grill is in near mint shape, and I love these ones. They got the big pie pan covers on them for the headlights. And Natalie's in love with it as well, so that's all we need. Her truck, her rules. So I'm going to get some hardware together and get this area cleaned up a bit, and there's a few little changes I got to make, and we'll go over that as we go. Alright guys, so we're working on this grill. We're getting there. Had to do some modifications, get some extra parts in there to get the headlight bezel in. Well, the headlight aiming bucket, I guess you would call it. And now I'm on to the next thing. Now I have to get a couple of these little plastic clips. I know where I can get them, just one of the hardware stores, but got to get some little plastic clips and some better stainless steel screws to hold that stuff in. But our original Fargo signal light and park light assemblies are an 1157, standard 1157 2-filament bulb. But our 50 or 65 grill, these are an 1156. So I'm going to see if I can find a way to swap this socket over without completely destroying it. And hopefully we make it happen. Here goes. Alright, so this has got a crimped edge on it. and I'm gonna try, since I'm not worried about saving this socket, I'm gonna try and cut the crimped edge or grind it out, and I'll probably do the same on the other socket. Same thing, grab that edge, pull it off, and make some magic happen. Alright, a little bit of gentle prying between here and here, managed to pop it out. I'll have to straighten that edge a little bit with a little dolly. Now moving on to this guy, see if we can get him out the same way. If so, we'll be in really good shape. That's her. So I'm going to clean up this edge a little bit and then get ready to insert it into the other hole. If everything goes right, should be able to just twist it in and then crimp it down on the other side, and we'll have a good repair. Well, there you have it. Now, I bent this rolled lip, or the crimped lip. I bent it up with a pair of vice grips all the way around, and basically just wiggle push, and then a final little pry with my little screwdriver, pop it in place. So now I just have to grab the edge, fold it back over, and we're good to go. Then wash, rinse, and repeat on the other side. Alright, once I got it inside, I braced this edge against my vise, and I tapped in here with the ball peen end of my hammer, just like that, nice and gently. And once I got it folding over, then I just rotated it and moved it around and hammered it all in. The real test is to see if I can get the bulb in. This collar is a slipping collar, and it won't allow the bulb in because it's one of the catches is in the way. I gotta readjust. There we have it. Bulb's in, everything fits nice, snug. Happy. One done, one to go.